One of my favorite things about the school is our mentorship program. Every Wednesday, we get to choose a job or something that we want to work at or go to. So for the past 3 years, I've been in the blacksmithing mentorship. So I've been working with kids and my mentor to make pieces of metalwork and also woodworking as well.
So our mentorship program is very important for our students because it gives them the chance to explore some careers that they might be interested in.
It does count as an actual former career on your resume, and it does show that I do have experience in different workplaces.
It gave me more of a passion to work on cars. My further goal is to open shop with my friends.
I feel that whoever came up with this program is a genius. All schools should have this. They get a taste of the real world. They get a taste of what they would want to do in the future.
We go through a hiring process with Asset School, a regular job interview, then we bring them in and they do real life job. These kids have been fantastic. And in this day and age, repairing one of these cars, the diagnostic tool now are computers. And these kids today are really sharp with computers, and they've come so far. It's a fantastic experience.
My name is Landon Hamada. I'm a project designer here at Bowers & Kubota. I've been here at Bowers & Kubota for 5 years. Prior to Assets, I thought it was a nightmare because I didn't know what was wrong with me. The school that I came from, they didn't know how to help me. In 6th grade, I told my parents that I want to drop out of school because it's not for me. Fortunately, I was able to get into Assets in the middle of 8th grade, so I was able to transfer, and ever since then it's been a world of difference for me. I feel like I've coped with my dyslexia and found ways to work around it and work to my advantage. So after Assets in 2006, I went to HEC for 3 years to get my associate's degree in architectural engineering CAD technologies. Along the way, I picked up my bachelor's of environmental design and my doctorate in 2016. It wasn't easy. I mean, Assets was like a safe haven for me to learn, and going to college was different. I didn't have all those luxuries that I could say I almost took for granted. I had to go and look for them. Luckily, Assets did help because I went to school here locally. They did put me in contact with people that would help transition me from high school to college. So by advocating, I was able to get the help that I needed. Through Assets and the mentorship program, it actually helped kind of guide me into what my career I wanted to go into. My mentorship program, where they introduced me to drafting, something that I do every day. I do feel that Assets is a lifetime resource.